Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another update. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, at the time doing this recording, the asphalting has passed the Trinityville police station. As you can see, that's the Trinityville police station over there. Yes, in the blue and white. So as you can see, at the time doing this video, the asphalt paving has passed the Trinityville police station. Okay, viewers, so the asphalt heading more up in the district now. You get what I say, viewers? So now is the time where the driver them got to be careful. Motorists got to be careful how them driving now on the road. You get what I say? Because you're up in the district where people live now, kids is there and all them little thing, their ball can run out and a pick run out behind the ball and all them thing there. And no matter you tell me say gate upon gate supposed to be, yes, gate supposed to be, but what if the ball even bounce over? You get what I say? Yes, and now motorists, the assaulting reach in the district, just precaution for the driving and just take your time. You get what I say? Yeah, 25, 30, no more than that to developing area. Remember that. Okay, viewers? So we say continue watch this video and you will see where the asphalting ends so far at the time doing this recording. So you don't know what they do, you know, so what? Just do the do now. Remember, I know ads are placed on this video, so just please watch them out for my viewers. Manners and thanks for doing so. So continue watch this video and take in this update. Bless up. Natural. So viewers, as I can see, there is one lane them are travel with so far, one side, but you know them won't go with the next side. So just continue watch the video and you see when the both side even what it look like. You get what I say, viewers? Manners and respect. Just continue watch this update and know and see what it's all about. What's taking place in Trinityville at the time at this recording. Going home. Cool. So viewers and subscribers, as I can see, this is the two side now, the two lane, both the two side. Them are go with there now. You get what I say? Yeah, so let's look at this thickness and let's look at the quality work that they're putting down in Trinityville. And remember, speak your mind in the comment section and tell me what you think. You get what I say, viewers? Manners and respect. Remember, it's an update. Continue watch the video. Bless up. Yes, my lovely viewers and subscribers, family subseed, we bring it to you now. We make you know exactly where the asphalting reach in Trinityville. As we say, it more up in the district now, it past the police station. And at the end of this video, we are going to show you around a rock where it stop at this present moment. Okay, so we say in order to come to the end of another video, you know, say if you're new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to the family. And if you leave a like, yeah man, blessed man. If you leave a comment, yes, that way if you get active down in the comment section. Okay viewers, and don't forget to share the video also. You watch out to add something, yeah man, blessed, and thank you very much for doing so. So it's in order to come to the end of another video, you know. So we say safe travel on the gravel, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. Blessed. I'm out. Now I'm gonna show you where the asphalting stop. As you can see at this present moment on a rock, that's where the asphalting stop for now. Okay, see you people in the next video. Bless up, keep safe.